Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Are you really looking for the perfect pet grooming kit? Then this is the right video for you. Today I will go through the top 5 best pet grooming kit. By the end of the video you will know exactly what is the perfect pet grooming kit for you. Without further ado, let's dive into it. Number 5. LMVVC Pet Grooming Kit. This kit offers easy portability and features a 3-speed adjustment function. This is fantastic because you can brush her inside without fur flying everywhere. Instead, it goes directly in the canister. It is also very simple to disassemble and clean. It efficiently combs floating hair and suctions it into the dust cup. The vacuum operates at a low noise level, providing a comfortable grooming experience. Switching heads is easy, and no batteries are required. Simply insert the vacuum cleaner for power. Different length hair combs are included, and the kit comes with a spacious 2.3L dust cup. It's the perfect pet grooming kit for convenient and effective pet care. Number 4. Kakipi Dog Grooming Kit and Vacuum. With 3 adjustable suction modes, this kit offers a quiet but powerful up to 10,000 paw suction for effective grooming. It functions as a vacuum and dryer in one, equipped with a grooming brush to remove loose and floating hair, and a deshedding brush to clear matted and excess hair. The vacuum clippers allow you to adjust the length with a lever, collecting pet hair during trimming. It includes 6 length guide combs for different pet haircuts, a 4.4 feet long hose, and a 1.5L dust cup with enough capacity for large dog fur. The kit also provides a cleaning brush for sofas, carpets, and clothes, an extended nozzle for gap and narrow areas, and easy emptying with just one click. Enjoy professional pet grooming at home. Number 3. Afloia 7-in-1 Grooming Kit for Pets. Complete accessories contain make professional grooming salon for your pet at home. Extended 4.9 feet hose, flexible use without distance limitations. Grooming brush comb the floating hair and dust on the fur. Hair sucked into the dust cup. Deshedding tool quickly removes loose hair. Wireless clipper shave hair suck into the dust cup. Inbuilt with rechargeable battery, use without connecting the machine. Pet paw trimmer, the hair of pet's paws and other details. Pet hair grinder, polish and round your pet's nails. Cleaning fallen hair on clothes and carpets. Suck hairs on sofa as well as between its gap. 1.5L larger capacity, no need to empty the dust cup frequently. Number 2. Oneisall Pet Grooming Kit and Vacuum. Pet grooming clippers with vacuum function can collect 99% of pet hair into a vacuum container. Pet clippers, paw trimmer and dog nail grinder can be used alone, don't need to connect hose. You can trim your dog anywhere, as these clippers are cordless. Pet grooming vacuums, noise only 60 decibels, 3 adjustable suction levels to choose, making your pet dogs feel relaxed and not be scared during grooming. With a detachable 1.5L dust box, 25% more capacity than others, easy to empty, do not need to empty often during grooming. Oneisall Pet Grooming Kit with Vacuum. Make home grooming easy. Number 1. Neabot P1 Pro Pet Grooming Kit and Vacuum. P1 Pro Grooming Kit with Vacuum Function collects 99% of pet hair into a vacuum container. Adjustable trimming combs suitable for trimming hair of different lengths. The detachable guide comb allows for quick and easy changing, enhancing versatility. Pet clippers for dogs with low noise, designed to help the pet feel at ease and no longer afraid of haircut. This pet grooming clippers come with 5 proven tools. Electric clipper provides excellent cutting performance. Nozzle head and cleaning brush can be used for collecting pet hair falling on the carpet, sofa and floor. P1 Pro Pet Grooming Kit makes the grooming experience even more enjoyable. If you enjoy this video, make sure to show your support by quickly liking and subscribing. Also dive into the description below for links to explore these products further. Thanks for watching.